In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use a Notion template. If you want to save time and avoid building everything from scratch, templates in Notion are a great place to start. They give you a ready-made structure for things like planning, note-taking, project management, or organizing personal tasks. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to find a template, add it to your workspace, and customize it so it works for your needs. First, open Notion. Once you're inside, go to the template gallery or open a shared template link if one has already been provided to you. The template gallery is useful because it includes a wide range of layouts created for different purposes, so it's a good starting point if you're still exploring what works best for you. Next, choose the template that matches what you need. Take a moment here and look at the overall structure. Some templates are very simple, while others include multiple pages, databases, and pre-filled sections. Try to pick one that already feels close to the way you want to work, since that will make setup much easier. Once you've found the right one, click Duplicate or Use this template. This tells Notion that you want to create your own copy instead of editing the original version. That's important because your copy becomes fully editable inside your own workspace. After that, select the workspace where you want the template to be added. If you use Notion for more than one team, project, or personal area, make sure you choose the correct workspace before continuing. This helps keep everything organized from the start. Now give it a moment while Notion copies the template into your account. You'll know it's ready when it appears in your sidebar. Depending on the size of the template, this may happen almost instantly or take a few extra seconds. Once the template is in your sidebar, open it and begin customizing it. You can edit page titles, rename labels, adjust databases, and remove or replace any sample content. This step is where the template becomes your own. Don't be afraid to simplify it if there are sections you don't need, or reorganize things so they better match your workflow. Finally, start adding your own information. Enter your tasks, notes, plans, or project details, and begin using the template as part of your regular routine. The main goal is to make the system useful for you. So keep refining it as you go. And that's it. Like, your Notion template is ready to use.